Hi there. In this video, I want to help you know how to group two elements as well as to help you rotate shapes. I'll help you with that. The next thing so to make that happen, let's go to our other Keynote window, which is right here. I'm going to go down a little bit, and what might be an example? Let's pretend that I wanted to move this over here and to make it smaller. That's going to be hard to do with two different steps. So sometimes it's very helpful to group two elements. So I'm choosing, you may have seen I clicked on the text alone, and now I'm hitting Shift key, and I'm clicking again on the background image. And this time I'm going to use two fingers on my Apple pad. And so I have two, and one option right here is group. So now that I have it grouped, I only have to move it one time. Now I want to be honest, it doesn't always work beautifully with text for resizing, but it tries to resize to a point with the text. Another way you could do it is you could take a screenshot and then bring that screenshot back in, which I do quite often. So with that said, I'm going to hit Command Z, and again, I had two things selected, and I chose group. So with that said, in the real world, what I would want to do is maybe I want it to be small like this. And then maybe I need to change the text. We'll see if it lets me change the text to something smaller. Looks like it does. So Apple's always making adjustments. Not too long ago, you had to ungroup it. But let's pretend that there's, for some reason, you don't want it to be a group anymore. You can hit two fingers and click ungroup, and now you can move this around again. But where this is very, very, very valuable, I'm going to go all the way back. Okay. Where this becomes valuable is to rotate. So I want to group it because I want to rotate. For rotating, you can come down here and click like this. That works. And again, I'm under Format for that to happen. And then I'm under Format and I believe Arrange. But what I also like is a keyboard shortcut, which honestly I need to explore. Sometimes it's Command. Command will let you, if you hover over the middle one and hit Command, that will let you do that. That only works, if I want to do that, it only works well if I have it grouped. Otherwise, one's angled this way and one's angled not quite the same, and it never looks good. So when I want to do an angle, I always group it first. I hope those two things are helpful. We learned how to group and ungroup, and we learned how to rotate an image with a shortcut, as well as over here under Arrange under Format. I hope this is helpful. Please explore for a little bit. Click play on the next video when you're ready.